Alright.
Hi, I'm Ivan with Saguaro Airsoft team, and today I'm going to do an unboxing of the KWA ATP pistol. I got this from evike.com. Good price, saved pretty good on the shipping. Basically you get a box here, manual, all that good stuff, you know the deal. Get some BBs, pop-up tool, magazine, obligatory orange tip. Feels good. Feels solid, like a real Glock. I'm going to check out the, I'm sure you guys know how an airsoft pistol works, so I'm going to try and see what the FPS out of the box is. So in order to do that, pull this little lever down, pull this magazine plate forward, make sure you don't take it off because everything will go flying. Position like that, and hold, say for about 30 seconds. But for the sake of time, I'm going to cut that short. Hold back up on it, and it'll shut. Make sure it snaps into place. Always keep your finger off the trigger. Every time I'm at a field, I cannot stress how much you got to keep your finger off the trigger, because if it was a real gun, so many kids would be running around without, well, you know what. Magazine, load the magazine, keep your finger off, load one in the chamber, and I'm going to test fire. Seems pretty crisp. I'm going to give it a shot, see what it chronos at. Point this into a relatively safe direction, into the bush. 323, 314, 312, hit the chrono, 315, 319, 306, 310. So it's about 310, 315 range, which is good for skirmishing. These are 2.0 BBs. I bought my Matrix .28 BBs because I prefer to have a little more weight. These actually give you a little more distance over a 2.0. Pretty good deal too from Evike. So the main thing that I was concerned about is the accessories. I have a Streamlight TLR1. I wanted to know if it would fit. Well, it does. Fits like a glove. Tightens up. Get rid of that. Okay, it's pretty quality. Has a trigger safety in there, like the real Glock. Pretty nice. Works just good. But my Safariland light holster, like a glove. Perfect. I also have my paddle holster, which is a CQB Blackhawk CQ Seamaster. This is for a Glock 21. It won't fit the Glock 17 version, so if you use the 21 version for the KWA ATP, it'll fit just fine. Of course, it won't fit here without a light. So, fits the holsters. Magazines are good, high capacity, shoots over 300. Under 330 for CQB, and tomorrow I'm going to be receiving a valve from evike.com, and I will show you the results of installation of the valve. But 129 comes with a magazine, a couple tools, BBs, whatever, from evike.com. Really good deal, really solid pistol, and that's it. Let me know what you think.